Howdy, this is David and Susan from the True Blue Sand blog again, and we're going to show you how to pull a T-post out of the ground easily. For years we've been using a shovel to dig out one side and pop them loose. It takes a lot of work. But you take your post hole driver, put the solid end down, and hook the top of that driver under one of the nubbins there, and just lean back. And it lifts it, you hook it on the next nubbin, lean back. And you just ratchet that baby right out of the ground. There you go. It just comes up like you're working a ratchet. Really cool. That's one of those life-changing tricks for you right there. Looky there. And she's out. That easy. What could be better? Thank you very much for visiting. Catch you all later.